welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Thank you for being here. It does mean the world to me. I appreciate it. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we're going to be unboxing our August Sips By box. For those of you that do not know, Sips By is a monthly personalized tea subscription. That's right, personalized. You could go on when you sign up and fill out a profile, let them know what types of teas you like. If you like caffeinated, not, decaf, green teas, loose leaf, you can let them know all of it, and they curate and make a personalized tea box for you. They send you this every month. It is $15. I do have a code that I will put down below to save you $5 off your first box. So you can get your first box for only $10, as well as a link to Sips By. And I just love this. All the teas have been amazing. One thing I do like too, if they do send you a loose leaf tea, they will send you like little bags that you can put them in, because not everybody may have like a little steeper. I think that touch is really awesome, and I love the variety of teas that you get here. So we will dive into this here in just a second. I do want to remind you guys, we do have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That link will be down below. We also have our Jeffree Star giveaway and our Snack With Me box. You can win a free month. So quite a few different giveaways going on. So check them all out. Go ahead and enter if you haven't. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up, and let me know about your day down below and what you think of the box. So let's get it open and see what teas I got for August 2019. First of all, I love the box. I think I say this in every video, but it's like hearts and little tea drops or tea leaves. I just love it. And then it says, enjoy your teas. August teas. And again, it's personalized, made for Nikki. So, as the dog days of summer come to a close, how do you make the most of your tea time? Will you ice your tea and hit the hammock, or blast the AC and burrow under blankets with a hot cuppa? You can enter to win a free month of tea when you share a photo of your box on Instagram. Use the hashtag Sips By box and tag @SipsBy in your caption. So let's see, they describe all of the teas here. I also like when they describe the teas, they tell you whether or not they're caffeine, like their caffeine level, like no caffeine. I have gotten some teas that have caffeine like coffee level, which I love. So let's see what I got this month. So this is what I'm seeing. So it looks like I got all like pre-bagged. I didn't get any loose leaf teas this month, it doesn't look like. So I don't think, maybe, I can't tell. We're just gonna get into it. Oh, I did, because here's what I was talking about, the little bag, and it has the like little tea bags in it that you can fill. So I do apparently have a loose leaf tea in here. So I think that is super fantastic. We're gonna start here just because I saw cold brew. And y'all know I am in the South, so I love me some sweet tea, some iced tea. So we have here my first one. They do always give you like 4 servings of each one, so you end up with about 16 cups of tea at least. So we have here 4 of these, and this is from Teapigs Cold Brew Liche, I don't know, I apologize, and rose tea. 1 tea temple for your water bottle. And it shows, that's pretty interesting, like a triangle pyramid type and a water bottle. Well, let's read about this one. Oh, this is what it looks like. 1 tea temple per bottle or glass water. Cold water. It's got apple pieces, white hibiscus, natural rose, lychee flavoring, turmeric, citric acid, red rose petals, and natural lychee flavor. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. This is actually caffeine free. A blend of lychee and rose on a fruity base makes a light, sweet, and flowery drink. It makes drinking water more enjoyable, so you don't need hot water to brew. That is awesome. So we will definitely give that a try. All right. now this I think might be my loose leaf. Oh, and it's called Tea Kitten. That is so cute. Yerba Mate, Minty Mojito Mate. Ooh, and it's high caffeine. Oh, yes. All right. Minty Mojito Mate, sips by Tea Kitten. 1.5 teaspoons per 8 ounces at 190 degrees for 3 minutes. Organic Yerba Mate, organic peppermint, natural lime flavoring. Oh my gosh. High caffeine. This minty fresh, energizing blend will bring some zing into your day. Try it served over ice with a slice of lime. Yes, please, and thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. This is going to be so yummy. Oh, and it's high caffeine. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so our next one, again, we have 4 of them. British Breakfast, the replica of tea, the perfect cuppa round black tea bag. British Breakfast Black Tea, sips by the Republic of Tea. 1 bag per 8 ounces of water at 212 degrees, steep for 5 to 7 minutes. It is black tea from Assam, Darjeeling, and Africa. This is high caffeine. A robust blend of quality black leaves, hearty enough to make any Brit smile. A savory mixture of Indian, Sri Lanka, and Kenyan leaves in a great is great with a splash of milk. So that is awesome. Let's see. It says, enjoy this environmentally friendly, round, unbleached tea bag, free of wasteful strings, staples, and tags. The life of tea is the life of the moment. We only have now, and we each sip it in our own cups. The Minister of Leaves. Getting stumbled on my words here. All right, and then our final, again, we have 4 right here. Says Choice Organic Teas, Black Tea, Classic Black. Classic Black, sips by Choice Organic Teas. 1 bag per 8 ounces of water at 210 degrees, steep for 4 to 5 minutes. Organic and fair trade certified black tea, high caffeine. This organically grown tea comes from gardens tucked deep within one of the most biodiverse ecosystems in the world, in the West Ghats of South India. I'm not sure if I said that correctly. So it's a black tea, which honestly, if you actually, like regular tea bags that you can find in the grocery store, like just regular tea, like when you think of like regular iced tea, is like orange, peacoat, and black tea. So I know I'm gonna love this. And then the other one too, this is actually a black tea as well, the British Breakfast. So I am super excited. I'm really excited to try these cold brew, the little tea like pods almost. But I think I am most excited about this Tea Kitten minty mojito tea with the peppermint and lime. This just sounds amazing. I'm so excited. So that was my Sips by box for August 2019. What did you guys think? Do you get this subscription? Let me know down below. Again, like I said, I will make sure to put that link down below as well as that coupon code to save you $5 off your first box, so you can get it for only $10. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.